She says she a swimmer, guys. What do you think? Lord God. What you... Take on the time, guys. Know your roots. Know your roots. Know your roots. Hey. Know your roots. Take on the time, guys. Take your time, take your time. Another glorious day, guys. Right here at Little Duns River. Yeah.
Okay, you gotta be okay. You can come this side, right? We're gonna...
Guys, so they look down to me. Kind of dog. You know, one Hershey's kick. Who's this?
Who's that pretty girl? That's you? Nice, cheese.
Alright. The cheese. Yeah, so what they look down to me, we are going into. You can see. Walk away. Crazy. Yeah. Something small. You know, when the kids them out. When the kids them outside. So let's go on and give them a day, you know?
Yeah, man, I'm farm. I come from book with the genius, so they do the do.
Right, way,
yeah,
you know?
Man, kids that play. Oh, Lord,
that
man.
is it, that is it. Ramiro! Oi, Ramiro! Come up. She says she a swimmer, guys. What do you think? Lord God! What you... what that? Alright. Restart. Let's go. We are soon go out there, sir. Alright. Sienna, come back. Who first touch Kim? Come right there, son. Right. No. I know Sienna no move, you know. I know Sienna no move. No, sir. Trip is over, everybody's going home.
There, come put on your hat.
Everybody enjoy themselves.